The Waikoloa Dry Forest Initiative is a community-driven nonprofit, and we're here to protect, promote, and restore the native dryland forest. What we're trying to do today is protect what's left of this really special place and restore the native community back to something that resembles a native dominant forest.
When we arrive here in the Waikoloa Dry Forest, we do a little bit of interpretation of what this place means. We do some light hiking, talk about some of the native species here as well, and then we do some native seed collecting.
So our partnership with Hawaii Forest and Trail is a way that we can expand our audience, where we can reach people that may have not found us on their own. We really want to have your first experience in the Waikoloa Dry Forest Preserve be with a guide who can help tell the story of this place and honor this place the way that it deserves to be honored. So by partnering with Hawaii Forest and Trail, we know that people are going to have that experience. They're going to get to learn and not just visit a place in passing. They're going to get to have that deeper connection to the forest. We need people to be part of the equation, and the way that we engage our community is by showing them how amazing this place is.
Yeah, after we depart the dry forest, we head up to the summit of Maunakea, and then after a beautiful sunset, we head to our star show area. I'll break out our 2 telescopes, which right now I'm excited to say we have a Stellina telescope, only company on the mountain to have one, which allows us to take deep space astrophotography. This tour is more meaningful than than just the regular Maunakea Summit and Stars tour. Just because on that tour, it's hard to really show the guests, what this place means. If they actually get their hands, and interact with the land, that gives them a better understanding.